to my channel. So today's video is an exciting one. Today I'm putting to the test the brand new Bad Habit Luna palette versus the Norvina palette. I did one eye with the Bad Habit Luna palette and I did one eye with the Norvina palette. So if you couldn't tell that these are two different eyes with two different palettes, then now you know. So some exciting news first about this palette right here. I have this palette early because I partnered with Bad Habit on this video. I'm so excited, it's blowing my mind. People that watch this channel know that they're my favorite brand, okay? I've said it like in several videos. Actually, you know what? Let me show you how loyal I am to them. This is just something I need to show you. This is how many palettes I have. Bad Habit. And now this, okay? I don't mess around when it comes to Bad Habit, okay? So anyway, basically what I'm trying to say is I'm ride or die for Bad Habit Beauty. So I'm excited to be working with them on this video, and the reason why I'm working with them is because I get to be the one that breaks the news that they came out with their very own website called badhabitbeauty.com, and that is where this palette right here is going to be launching tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so set your alarms. It is going to be exclusive to their website. So in the past, we've been able to buy Bad Habit Beauty on the Hush app. It will still be available on the Hush app, except this is going to be exclusive right now to the Bad Habit website. So that is the only place you'll be able to get this, and it is free shipping on orders over $30. So quickly before I start, I do want to say this is $16, this is $42, so that makes a $26 price difference, and the formula, spoiler alert, and this palette is just as good, if not better in some ways, than the Norvina palette. So many of you have seen my review on the Norvina palette. A lot of my criticism over this palette was preference issues, and there was some marketing issues that I had problems with, but a lot of the preference issues get cleared up when the price drops down to $16, okay? Because there's a lot of shades in here like Soul, Love, Drama, Wild Child, Celestial. Those are all shades that you can't exactly wear on a daily basis. Like, you can't really wear them to work. You know, you can't really wear them in a professional setting, so this isn't a palette that you're going to reach for every day. It's certainly not an everyday palette. And for $42, that's a lot of money to pay for a palette you're not really going to use that often, maybe just on the weekends. So when this palette came out, which is $16, it gives me a new appreciation for the colors in here, and it makes things a lot more affordable. I love Bad Habit because it makes palettes that are affordable to everyone. And this palette comes with a mirror, which is like, hello. So anyway, I do create two different looks in this video, which I really like. So if you do have trouble also creating looks with this palette and you're like, I don't even know where to start, which was kind of my problem, I do show you how to do, actually I kind of show you how to do like 3 different looks, but if you want to see how these palettes perform against each other, then just keep on watching. But I'm first going to go in with the shade Base in the Norvina palette, and then Crescent, which is in the Bad Habit palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Base on this eye over here. But I'm just going to keep it like lower because I don't know if you'll be able to tell, there's a little bit of shimmer actually in the shade Base, which is strange because in the beginning this palette was marketed as 7 mattes and 7 shimmers. There's 3 shades in here that are very shimmery, and those shades are Base, Soul, and Love. So if you didn't know that, now you know. I did do a review already on the Norvina palette, but I am going to go in now with Crescent, and I am cleaning my brush off a little bit in between each one, but I do want to use the same brush. I'm cleaning my brush off though, so don't worry. So now I'm going in with Crescent on, and this is going to be the Bad Habit side, so. I don't know if you saw, but the Bad Habit palette was a little bit more pigmented actually, and they're really creamy. Both of them are really creamy. All right, I'm gonna go into the shade Incense now, put that in my crease. I'm gonna go into the shade Aphelion. I think that's how you say it. And I'm just gonna put that in my other crease. So there are both eyes right there. Both of them are really smooth and they're very easy to blend out. I'm gonna go into the shade Love right here and put that like a little bit lower in my crease. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do looks wise. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Penumbra, which is the pink in the Luna palette. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Passion right here. This like darkish, reddish, brownish. I don't know what it is. And then in the Luna palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Dark Side. And now out of the Norvina palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Wild Child. So the like really shimmery pink shade. Oh, you know what? I wanted to use the shade Summer. Well, I could do that over it actually. So I'm gonna wet my brush. And then from the Luna palette, I'm going in with the shade Meridian. So this should be pretty interesting to see if it is up to par. All Bad Habit palettes are, so I'm not too worried. So far, I cannot tell the difference whatsoever between both of these eyes. But now I'm gonna go into the shade Dreamer, which is a shimmery champagne color. And I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner. I'm not gonna wet it. Pretty. And then out of the Luna palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Waning. I like that this palette is themed after outer space and different things like that because this is a very like galactic palette, if that makes sense. Like it just gives you a very galaxy look, ethereal look. It's just very interesting. So anyway, exactly the same. So that is it for the first look, and I think it came out really good. I cannot tell the difference. I can't even remember. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, I can't, like, when I look at myself, I can't remember which eye I did, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye, and then this is the Bad Habit eye. So I don't want to wipe this makeup look off, but I am going to do one more look because I want you guys to see all or most of the colors used, just so you can, you know, be totally sure about a $16 palette. But yeah, I think it looks really good. I actually wanted to do, you know what I wanted to do? Maybe I should do this really quick, yeah. I really wanted to go in with the shade Summer. I'm just gonna put it right over the Wild Child color just so you guys can see another shimmery shade, but they're all on point. I've already used this palette once and they're all like on point, so. So that's Summer, and I didn't wet it or anything, didn't wet my brush or anything. So then I'm gonna go into Basalt right here in the Luna palette, which you can see I've already dug into. And I'm gonna just go in, again, not wetting my brush at all. As you can see, the same amount of shimmer, the same amount of impact. One criticism I had originally for the Norvina palette was that it was super crumbly. It's like it kind of melted in too much, in my opinion. And I can tell there's a little bit of a different formula on the Bad Habit Luna palette that I actually like. It doesn't feel as slippery. Like it doesn't feel as crumbly, it doesn't feel as slippery, and I think it's gonna last a little bit longer. So I actually like that. I feel like that's an upgrade for this palette at least. So now we're gonna do a really dramatic look. Let me take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So now we're gonna do a really dramatic eye look. We'll see how this goes, but I'm first gonna start with the shade, I'm first gonna start with the shade Eccentric out of the Norvina palette. And I'm gonna use a large fluffy brush. First shade down, I'll go back and blend that out a little bit better later. But out of the Luna palette, I'm gonna go into shade Waxing. Again, I don't want to sound biased, but it really is a lot easier to blend out the Bad Habit palette. I think if you're a beginner or if you're not as confident in your skills with blending, I would definitely go with the Luna palette because it's a little bit softer coming off your brush and you can build it up. And it's not like so much pigment at once and you have to kind of, you know, you're scrambling to blend it out and you don't know what to do. So I just feel like it's a lot easier to work with and it's a little bit smoother. So that's good, right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go into the shade Soul, which is a purple, like periwinkle. And now I'm gonna go into the shade Super Moon. I'm gonna go in again with Passion and just kind of trying to deepen that up a little bit more. And then again with Dark Side right here. What I'm gonna do to use a little bit more of the colors is I'm gonna go in with Celestial right here and do that all over my lid. I'm gonna go over it with Drama so you can just see what Drama looks like, because yesterday I created a look I really liked with Drama. So first we're just gonna go in with Celestial. No wetting of the brush. Actually, I probably should wet the brush. That looks really pretty, doesn't it? Ooh, I like that. Okay. So then I'm gonna go with Half Moon, right there, and of course wet the brush because that wouldn't be fair. Exactly the same. As you can see, those came out exactly the same. I don't know how they do it for such an affordable price, but the shimmers are always exact dupe. But yeah, now, okay, so I really like the way it looks. I don't wanna really cover it up, but I'm going to because I created such a nice look with this the other day. I'm gonna go in with Drama. So I'm gonna put that on my lid. And I'm gonna put it on a flat brush. And I am gonna wet it because I don't want it to go everywhere. And now I'm gonna go in with Eclipse over here, and I'm gonna use the opposite side of the brush. So there's Drama and Eclipse on both eyes. I'm gonna put my lipstick on. And I'm gonna put some mascara on. So there are the two looks. There really is not a difference. The only difference at the end of the day is the price point. Oh, this is again $16. This retails for $42. So that is a $26 difference between the two for no difference in quality. And this is a really good, it's a nice soft touch packaging. It has a mirror. It's everything that you would want, except this makes a lot more sense. Let me know if you want to see more dupe videos. I love to do them. I've done a ton of them already, and I love to help in any way that I can save you guys money. Don't forget, this palette right here is launching tomorrow, September 27th on their website, and it is launching at 10 a.m. Pacific time, okay? 10 a.m. Pacific time. Again, their Bad Habit Beauty website is the only site where you're gonna be able to get this right now. The Hush app will still carry Bad Habit products, but again, this is exclusive to the Bad Habit site for right now. You guys already know I'm gonna be waiting for the Sultry palette dupe. Definitely go check this out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!